Hello and welcome to today's video, which I'm going to talk about 3 best filters, let's say confirmation indicators, in order to use them to divide real signals from fake ones. Maybe you ask yourself why I'm saying 3, the thumbnail and the title says 4. The last one is a mystery and I'm going to talk about it on the very end of this video, so don't go anywhere. It won't be a long video. Sit tight, we're going to have a lot of fun. I know that there are lots of filters out there, but I have prepared the best of them which I could found for you, so you can just go try them out for yourself. Do not try them out with real money, just go back test them, or even if you want to try any kind of new thing which you are not familiar with, even if I recommend it to you or you see it out there somewhere or someone is going to tell you, oh hey, check it out, you have to do a lot of backtesting, at least 100 of them in different time frames. And then even if you want to start with no leverage at all, or with low volume or really low leverage, that's going completely to money management, risk management, which I have made videos about those previously, which you can check the links down in the description. Let's jump in and start with number 4. Number 4 is so-called the FMUS system. The FMUS system is a really powerful indicator, and you can use it in any time frame from 1 minute to 15 minutes and from 1 hour to 1 day, or let's say daily time frame. You can just simply go to the indicator sections and search for FMUS system. You can choose any one of them, it doesn't matter really, all of them are the same more or less, but I'm gonna choose this one, which is containing lots of indicators in it, so I'm gonna make it favorite, bring it on my chart. If you want to know how it works, maybe it's too busy, but it's really easy to use. Instead of making your chart so busy and so creepy, you can just use this simple one. We can go to the setting and you can see it contains lots of powerful indicators like EMA cross, bar color, RSI, EMA 20, SMA 50, and you can see, and so on and on and on. So I'm going to just untick the price tags, and here bear it in mind, none of these indicators are entry indicators. You only use them for confirmation. So if you already have one trading strategy, whatever it is, if it is Ichimoku, if it is price action, if it is Elliott wave trading, or if it is just a scalping strategy, which I've told you from before, or you're using it for a while and it is something even I didn't mention it, you can use these indicators I'm telling you in this video today, especially this one and the next one's coming up. You can use this for confirmation and be more sure of the side of the coin that you can go long, either it's short. So it's really simple. Let's just talk about it. It's a trend identificator. So it means when all of them are in red, you go short in this place here like this. And you can see that the price went down. It was a successful trade if you took it. And when all of them turns into green, let's say somewhere like here, which I made an example from before, yeah. And let me mention here, you can use these confirmations like in any market, any time frame which I tell you, because whatever I tell you, these are the things which I've tested like thousands of times before. So here in this case, when all of them turn into green on this candle, you can just go long and take your trade. We had another example here, and it was a spike, beautiful one. It went green again. So you can, these are just confirmation signals. You can just go long, like here, all of them turn into green. You could take a long trade here, where to put your stop loss. Just if you're new to trading, I highly recommend to check my other videos. I have a complete trading course, free course of course, as playlist listed by the syllabus, one after each other, especially the sessions dedicated to the money management, risk management. You have to check them out. Also, just check it down in the description. I don't want to waste your time right now, but if you are already been to trading and you know what I'm talking about, so if if you enter a trade right at this point here, after all of them turn into green, you have to put your stop loss somewhere around here at the latest swing low. And for your risk to reward ratio, there are lots of theories which I don't want to talk about about that now in this video, because it's going to make it a lot longer. So for risk to reward ratio and stop loss, just if you're familiar with trading, you can just do your own strategy. If you're not, you can check my previous videos. Number 3 indicator is so-called Verbut Heikenhashi. If we go to the indicator search, we simply can search for HA Colt like that, and it's this one, Verbut Heikenhashi long term. As you can see, the name is telling us it's better for long-term trading, and by long-term I mean 1 hour and above. So that's the way it works the best. So let me search for it again, HA Colt. This one, let's make it favorite, bring it on the chart. It's this one by Lazy Bear, and you can see this number of people, almost 5,100 people are using this. It's really another really powerful indicator, and it works really easy. When you have green, it means good to go long. When it's in red, it means good to go short. And sometimes in between there are some gaps like here, which you shouldn't pay attention to. As you can see here, it was not so powerful candles. Again, here not so much powerful candles, and then at this candle it said okay, go short. And if you went short, it was a powerful entry, let's say confirmation, because as I told you, these are not entry indicators. Number 2 indicator which I want to talk about is so-called trend meter. It's one of the most powerful indicators, let's say in between the ones I told you. This is the one which I really like, and it's the most powerful indicator. And you especially working on larger time frames, it means 1 hour and above. Yeah, although you can use it in any time frame, which I've tested it before, but of course the bigger the time frame is, the more accurate it becomes. Let's bring it on the chart, and I'm gonna simply search for trend meter. I want this one by Ledge underline MC. I hope that I said it right. So I'm gonna make it favorite, bring it on the chart. Yeah, it's just more or less working like the previous indicator. There's nothing special about it which you can't understand. Okay, so I wait for all of them to turn in red. Here I go short, and then all of them turn into green at this point. As you can see here, down here I go long, and it works like that. And you can just do it like that. I know maybe you say, you tell yourself it's really simple. Even if I go to lower time frames like 15 minutes, you can see it worked out beautifully. Here all of them turn into red at this candle, and I could go short, and it was a successful trade. Then here all of them turn into green, you can see down here, and I could go long as it was another successful trade, and so on and on. It is up to you, and you're responsible for your pocket and your money. You have to do your back test, do your practices before starting a new strategy. I can remember I had this online course with an old friend of mine. I was teaching him several scalping strategies, and the next day I can remember he came to me. I said, oh, it's not working, I've lost like $100, $200. I was like, man, come on, you didn't even do your back tests. He said, yeah, I did back tests. I did like 20 of them. I said, man, you have to put some effort, some time. Let's see different types of the market. Let the market go uptrend, let it go downtrend, let it go sideways. Do some back testing, do some real-time testing without any money, or let's call it demo trading or paper trading. Or even if you want to start with really low volume and with no leverage at all, and then go with your powerful strategy based on that powerful setting that you have. He was like starting with all the money he had, with the leverages like 20x, 50x, and of course he lost money. And it's obvious in that case you can wipe out your whole account with any trading strategy or indicator. It doesn't matter if it is one of the strongest strategies like price action, or if it's just a creepy strategy out there. Believe me, mark my words, if you have the weirdest, let's say weakest trading strategy, with the worst indicator, but you have proper money management and risk management system, that's going to work out for you, and that's going to make your account bigger. Maybe the process is going to be slower, but if you have the weakest strategy and the weakest indicator and compare, but you have a good money management, risk management system, and you stick to it, and there is someone with a really nice paid version of an indicator, or using a really good strategy like price action, but they do not have a proper risk management, money management system, believe me, it is you who's gonna grow your account, and the other one is going to wipe out their account completely. That's something has been proven to me, millions of people out there. And the last strategy which I want to tell you, it's not me, I want to tell you, so I called it the unknown filter, and it's up to you. So I need you to please type in down in the comments the best filter, let's say confirmation indicator, that you use in your day trading. Share it with me, share it with the other people, and tell us what is your best trading strategy. Let's share with our small community on YouTube this, and make this family bigger by sharing the knowledge that we have. Just before ending this video, I must thank all the developers who are making these wonderful indicators and providing them completely for free for traders to use, and that's I really respect that. So did you like this video too? If you really like it, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it right away, and by turning on the notification bell, you're gonna be the first to be informed when I'm uploading a new video, which I'm doing on daily basis. And please share my channel with your friends, with your community, for those who you know they are looking for a complete course which I've recorded previously, or they are looking for optimized trading strategies, and they want to be successful. They want to learn all about this world of trading, unknown world of trading, especially cryptocurrencies. I really would be appreciating that, and please leave your ideas as comments down below, and share with me what do you think. If you want me to focus on something more, if you think I'm not pointing at something good, just tell me. I'm an open book. Just shoot. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.